Brothers and sisters, I am Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to be making a green drink for winter. And it's so important, brothers and sisters, that we exemplify aliveness and liveliness more than ever now in these times. Exemplify life and affirm life and celebrate life. And that's what we're going to be doing today with our Alive Organic Green Drink. And we're going to be starting by making an almond milk base for the green drink. So I'll start with some Mountain Valley water, my favorite since 1871. You can't argue with that. So we'll put in, let's say, 2 cups of Mountain Valley water, the best there is. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of our Alive Organic almond butter made right here in Berkeley, California, created from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land, on this California earth. California, as you know, produces 80% of the world's almonds. The conditions for growing almonds are ideal here. The almonds are grown in the Great Central Valley, where, by the way, most of the fruits and vegetables for these United States during wintertime happen to originate. So very, very special place, exactly the right conditions of soil, climate, and water coming from through reservoirs and channels from the high Sierra Mountains. So here we have our Alive Organic almond butter, the pillar of our business, and we're going to put a heaping tablespoon into the blender. Okay. All right. Now here we go. Let's give this a whirl. And that's what it is. We have a magnificent pure white almond milk. It's so easy. It's so easy. Just a tablespoon of almond butter in a couple cups of water, and that's all it is, and so much better and more economical and so much better for you than any almond butter you can buy in the store. It's been sitting on the shelf for who knows how many months, and it's been pasteurized. You can't be sure. So we have our almond milk base for the green smoothie. And now, can you guess what the next step is going to be? We're going to add some magnificent chard. We'll add some chard. This is so beautiful, so vibrant. It's been grown locally, but of course, so we'll just add some chard. We don't just add a couple bits of chard. That was a yellow chard, red chard. We are so blessed. Well, another yellow chard. Let's do that. Let's put that in. Okay. And now give it a tamping down. And let's blend that in our almond milk base. Okay. And that's it. That's it. And now some magnificent kale. What could be more vibrant, more living, more streaming a live organic kale. And here, we won't bother chopping it up. We'll just tear off a few bits. Here we go. Put in the blender, just like that. Okay. It's disappeared into an olive green colored drink. And now we're going to add some cloves of garlic. Why not? We'll slice. We'll give them a slice. Couple cloves of garlic. Okay. And now we're going to supercharge the drink. How will we go about that? Can you guess? With this wheatgrass. This wheatgrass, which any of you can grow in the privacy of your kitchen. And there are so many videos out there showing you just how to go about growing your own wheatgrass. It is a treasure. It's a gem. So here we have, we're going to supercharge the green drink with vivacity, with a clump of a live wheatgrass. Let's put that in just like that. Tamp it down. And here we go. So the color has changed from light emerald green to a darker green. And last but not least, an avocado. Let's give it a scoop of avocado. Here we go. Avocado simply makes the green drink, simply makes it taste wondrously. So, and gives it magnificent texture and smoothness. And that's it. That's it, brothers and sisters. Let's take a better look at this. And here you go. And in all my experience of being at the very, very onset of the raw food movement, just when they were getting going, and having been through its ups and downs and whatever, I can assure you that the one gem that they have bequeathed to us are green drinks. They make so much sense. And if you have a green drink, and you couldn't do better than a green drink for breakfast, a green drink for lunch, a green drink for dinner time, plus other foods, dried fruits, nuts and seeds, and whatever, but of course, this is a gateway to vitality. You do not need your superfoods. You do not need your magic foods, superfoods, or whatever. They won't do it for you. It's vivacity. It's finely divided greens based on my over 40 years of experience in this field that I can assure you will raise you up to unimaginable heights of vitality. Combine this, of course, with intermittent fasting. Combine this, of course, with vigorous exercise. And combine this, of course, with growing as much of your own food as you possibly can, so much needed in these times more than ever, and thereby restoring this American earth. And you're well along on your way to heights of vivacity, awareness that you have never before experienced. So, Alive and Alive Organic Living Smoothie. Think on it, my friends. It's so easy to do for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's go forward, brothers and sisters. There's a great responsibility upon each one of us, now more than any other time in history. We've got to affirm life and vitality in these times of increasing darkness. Let us go forward. That's what we're here to do. Thank you indeed, and bye for now.